Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to read Google Trends. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Trends and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys, I'm right now in the homepage and right here in the top, you're going to find this bar that changes every time and it basically shows you what's trending in every country. So for example, this is trending in Greece. And for example, this Toulouse Liverpool is trending is in Chile. And if you scroll down right here, you're gonna find dive deeper, explore issues and events in details, curated by the trends data team. Right here, you're gonna find Made with Trends. See how Google Trend is being used across the world by newsrooms, charities, and more. Right here, you're gonna find Get Started with Trends. Use the trend, browse these resources to learn what it can do and how to use it. So right here, you're gonna find what is Google Trends, basics of Google Trends, understanding the data, and right here, advanced Google Trends. If you go right here to explore, for example, you can explore and search for any term. For example, this one. And from here, you can select which country you want. For example, United States. And right here, you're gonna find interests over time. Right here, you're gonna find interests by the states. As you can see, guys, Hawaii is the first one. And if you scroll down right here, you're gonna find the related topics. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.